Okay guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of El Poblado and everything before I go to Ciudad del Rio. This is the Poblado metro station here, and that's Poblado. And it's Sunday, so we're going towards Ciudad del Rio in a moment, which is that way from Monterey, about 5 blocks over. And it's a very central. And that's the Medellín River. I'm over it. And we are here in El Poblado, and if we go back this way, that's over there, back in that direction, in the opposite direction, is where the bus terminal, South Bus Terminal is. So let's go to Ciudad del Rio. Over there they have a bowling alley, Bolerama, bowling alley at the Monterey Shopping Center. You can get all your tech stuff there. GoPro cameras, Osmo cameras, whatever, 360 cameras, Insta360R, whatever it's called, computers, laptops, tablets, cell phone accessories, printer stuff, everything over there, everything at Monterey. So that's Monterey right there. We're on Las Vegas Avenue. On Las Vegas Avenue, as you can see, I'm behind the camera. This is Avenida Industriales here, Barrio Colombia that way, and that's Monterey right there. Okay guys, we're here at the Monterey tech place. I'm coming here to get my GoPro lens fixed because it cracked, so the videos ain't coming out well. So let me give you a tour for digital nomads and expats and all of that good stuff. So this is the Monterey place here. You got all kinds of stuff. If your laptop needs servicing, if your cell phone, smartphone is broken or something, you need accessories, a tablet for your action cameras like a GoPro or an Osmos camera or Insta360R. You got repair centers. This is a repair center here. You got all kinds of shops, and I'm looking for mine for the GoPro camera because my GoPro, the lens is cracked. The lens on the GoPro is cracked, and that doesn't help out with the video quality. So I'm going to look for the place. So you got technical service centers here for all kinds of devices. You got wireless headphones if you need headphones, chat headset and everything. You get good service prices here. You just got to shop around and so you can get the best price possible. You got all kinds of things, digital printers, desktops, everything. That's the movie theater area over there, the old movie theater. But look, everything here, everything you need. Mac, digital Mac, tablets, all kinds of stuff you want to repair, all kinds of new laptops. So you just got to look for a place where you can get the best price possible. Just look for a place. Sorry, my voice is sounding muffled because I have to use this like everybody, so I gotta put it back on. So they got all kinds of stuff here. You want to get ink for your printers, ink cartridges. There's one on the first floor. There's another one here on the second floor. This is all for digital nomads. So guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Remember, this is how you support us. You support us on YouTube. You guys, subscription is very necessary for us. Remember, it's all free. You subscribe to the channel. You give it a like. You give the video a like if you like what I'm showing you. And leave comments. Leave comments below about this place. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. Just leave them in the comment section and I'll get the thing. And I'm sorry for some people that I offended because I didn't know about that premiere feature that I was doing it for every video. I just thought it was something to help. But then I saw Nick Nimmin's video on that, and I finally learned last night, and I took the rest of the videos that had premiere status on them. I took that label off so it could just be a regular upload. So remember, you support us. Without you guys, we are nothing. Please give us a like, subscribe to our channels, whoever you're following, me, this person, that person. If you're following Gabriel Traveler for travel blogs, or Jacob Laukaitis, or Bald and Bankrupt, or Harald Baldr, or Alvarez Viajero in Spanish, or Soy Tribu, or these other guys. So that's how you support us. Nick Nimmin as well. He does everything about videos, about how to do your channel better. videos and everything and equipment. So let's continue. Let's continue here at Monterey. See right there, they got El Punto de la Impresora. So this is for digital nomads. If you need something, anything, wireless stuff, accessories for your cell phone, need your cell phone repaired, maybe the screen broke, something like that, your Apple phone, we got an Apple Center right there. This is two floors here where they show all this stuff. Now I can't show you my, I'm not doing it with my GoPro because my GoPro cracked. I got to replace the thing right here, it's cracked. And I'm looking for the shop right now, here on the second floor where I got it, and just don't remember where it is. So look, everything for gamers, all of that. So many shops. All you gotta do is just keep talking and talking. Most people don't speak English, but if you speak some Spanish or a couple may speak some English, then you can get a good deal. Look, the Samsung customer service center here. So if you got a Samsung cell phone, you got an official Samsung customer center right there and all. So good. Motorola. And where is this guy? I remember I came, but I don't remember where it is. And this is Monterey. This is here in El Poblado. In El Poblado, Medellín. Right across the street from the Poblado metro station. Right across the street from the Poblado metro station. Okay, here we go. I found David's shop. I've been there before. It's right there at the end of here. It's called PC Portati. They also do repairs. That's got like two businesses in one. And so I'm gonna go there right now and see if David is there. And they sell all kinds of stuff for the GoPro, action cameras, and for other types of things. So let's go and see what we have here. This is the place, GoPro, Be a Hero, and all of that. ¿Qué más, David? ¿Cómo le va? ¿Bien o qué? Aquí haciendo un video en inglés, mostrando todo esto y que vengo aquí a arreglar mi cámara. No, ellos, eso no they don't care, ellos no les molesta, es para saber dónde queda. David, how are you? Good? Good, excellent. So, David, esta cámara se me quebró el lente. ¿Sí o no? Eso, o eso es el vidrio, el glass. Ok, yo creía que era una de las dos cuando sabía. Please, por favor, se le quita para reemplazarlo con otro. Ok, eso me está afectando los videos. That's affecting my videos. So you can come here and get... Sí. Excellent.
Hey.
David is following my channel, the other one in Spanish, and David can help you here with your GoPro camera or your Osmos. ¿Usted aprende a manejar GoPro ya o la otra cámara todavía? ¿Solamente manejas lo de GoPro o también manejas la otra?
No, otra.
¿Cuáles son las otras de acción que manejas? Okay. He also works with these action cameras here. I don't know what brand they are. Sports cameras in Spanish, 4K ultrasound, and the GoPro 9. And he's got these two versions right here, submersible in water. So good stuff. So I got this little stick tripod thing, Chinese brand, whatever it is, nice. Here, food court area. And I got this thing to put on my backpack to strap it so I can tie the GoPro or the cell phone to it and record as I'm walking. And we got the food court area here at Monterey. They got a Subway shop there and all that. So yeah, everything is cool. And remember, you want to get some stuff. I got this thing here, this plus the glass protection for my camera or the GoPro, all for 60,000 pesos. The guy gave me a 19,000 peso discount. 60,000 pesos is less than $20 US. It's about $18, about $17.50 for this tripod thingy, this clip to put on the backpack, on the strap, and the glass for the GoPro. So everything's good. It was just the glass. I thought it was the lens, but it was just the glass that was broken. So now it's time to skedoodle and go have lunch at a vegan restaurant here in El Poblado. I'm gonna go pick up my motorcycle called, the vegan restaurant is called Kai, K-A-I. So we're going there next. Stay tuned for that. Sometime in the near future after this video, or maybe I already uploaded it. So guys, take care And this is the Monterey Tech Mall. Well, I was about to say goodbye, but look, some gamers are hanging out, chilling and competing with some kind of video game there. 4 people. Wow, look at that. Ultimate Gamer. For all you gamers here. Nice stuff, huh? So yeah, let's go. Let's continue. Everybody seems to be hanging out and enjoying the gaming. Very nice. Gamers. I don't know what they're playing, but they're having fun. Young people and everything. And David told me that Instagram nowadays is moving more, having more movement than YouTube and everything. So I'm still a YouTuber. I'm gonna stay with YouTube, but it's good to explore the other stuff. And look at the Siberian doggy there, nice little doggy. Anyway, so I'm going out this way, and I'm gonna go pick up my motorbike, which is somewhere over here. We're outside the Monterey thing here. That's Monterey, the entrance here from the metro. You come by the metro, Medellín metro, from the Poblado station. You just walk this way and you go there. But I'm going this way to pick up my motorcycle, which is over there under the bridge. So my motorcycle is in here. It's over there. I can see it right there with the trunk, the 3rd trunk over. That's my motorcycle there under the bridge here. Like what was it, that song? Red Hot Chili Peppers. Under the bridge. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner. Sometimes I feel, yeah baby, what's up? We're on Sweet Wanderings with Edwin Toro. And soon I'll change the name. It'll be a different name. This is all around the Poblado metro station, and a homeless person. My compassion goes out to that person. And here we are. I gotta go in here and get my motorcycle. Bye bye, guys.